Relation algebra. This is my part 3 videos and binary relation operations. Today now taught join operations. What is join operation? The sequence of Cartesian product followed by select is used quite commonly to identify and select related tuples from two relations. A special operation called join is denoted by join symbol. This operation is very important for any relation database with more than single relations because it allows us to process relationship among relations. The general form of join operation on two relations are A1, A2 to An and S relations B1, B2 and Bn is R join operation, join condition and S, where R and S can be any relation that result from relation algebra expression. Example, suppose that we want to retrieve the name of the manager of each department. To get manager name, we need to combine each department tuple with employee tuples. Employee tuple where SSN value match the manager SSN value in the department tuple. We do this by using the join operation. You see my first video schema diagram of department and employee tables. Now we find department manager SSN equal to SSN join operation employee. That is a result. First department name, department number, manager SSN number. That is a part of department tables, and this is a part of employee table, and this result are stored in department manager. And you see the schema diagram of department and employee in my first video relation algebra, and you can find this result. Both employee and departments is a result. After that, equijoin operations. The most common use of join involve join condition with the equality comparison. Only such join where the only comparison operator used is equal to is called equijoin. In the result of equijoin, we always have one or more pair of attribute whose name need not to be identical, that have identical value in every tuple. The joins in the previous example of equijoin. You see the previous example join of operations. It is an example of equijoin. Now after natural join operation, because one of each pair of attribute with identical value is superfluous, new operation is called natural join, denoted by asterisk sign, was created to get rid of the second superfluous attribute in an equijoin condition. The standard definition of natural join requires that the two join attributes or each pair of corresponding join attribute have the same name in the both relations. If this is not the case, the remaining operation is applied for. Example of natural join. To apply natural join on the D number attributes of the department and department locations. Department location is result department and department location. How to get? First of all, you see that project department. project natural join department. You can see the my first video lecturer schema diagram of object and department. Then you join the operation and find this result. Object name, project number, P location, D number, D name, manager starting date and manager start date. Object name, project number and project location and department number are in project table, and D name, D number, manager SSN number and manager start date is department table. You can find this result after department location. You can find how to find department locations. Department name, D number, manager SSN number, manager start date and location. You can find the department and department locations. It is the result in B. This result and find department and department locations. You can find this result. It is a example of natural join. After division operation, the division operation is applied to two relations RZ division Sx, where x is a subset of z. Let y equal to z minus x. Hence z equal to x union y. That is, let y be the set of attributes of R that are not attribute of S. The result of division is relation Ty that include tuple T if tuple Tr appear R with Tr y equal to T and with Trx equal to Ts for every tuple Ts in S. For the tuple T to appear in the result T of the division, the values of in the T must appear in R in combination with every tuple in S. Example of division operation. How to find division operations? R division S. First, let us R equal to A1, A2, AN and B1, B2, BM. S equal to B1, B2 and BM. R minus S equal to A1, A2 to AN. Now, this result A and B. You can see that combination A1, B1, A2, B1, A3, B1, A4, B1, A1, B2, A3, B2, A2, B3, A3, B3, B4, B3, B, A1, B4, A2, B4 and A3, B4. It is a relation of R, and S is a B1 on B2, two values, and after you can see result, that is a result R division S equal to A equal to A1, A3. How can you find it? You can say that A1, B1 are combinations, and second one is a A1, B2. Both are this, and A3, B1 and A3, B2. Common in this A1 and A3. So this is a result of A1 and A3. It is a result division operations, and you see my PPT relation of algebra. I can send in WhatsApp number and your WhatsApp group. You can see that examples. Okay, thank you.